Hello, dreamers, and welcome to the Dreamwriters book editor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the different functions of the book editor. So the book editor has four components. The first is the page itself. This is where you would write your book. On the left is the design panel, and this is what you would use to add images or change colors or change layouts of your book. Across the top is the text toolbar, and you would use this to change the different styles and colors and sizes of your text, as well as make editing updates too. And the last part is the page manager, and this is along the bottom, and this is where you would add and delete pages. So I'll do a quick sample for you. I'm going to look at the artwork that I chose and pick an image for my book, because that might inspire the title. So after looking through it, I think I might pick this one, the bat reading a book. And I like this layout, but I think I might try something else. Maybe I'll try this one. And you see I can actually make the image bigger or smaller and move it around. Or I could also trash it if I don't want to use it. Okay, I think this bat looks a little bit sad and lonely reading his book. So I think I will maybe name this book The Lonely Bat. Now you see that it goes on two lines. I feel like making it stay on one line. So I will shrink the font. And I think I will change the color because purple is my favorite color. Now, this function here is to left align, so it makes the text go left. This is to center. This is to right align. This is to justify. I think I will keep it centered. I can also use these tools to center it on the page. So this is at the top. I could put it at the bottom, or I could put it in the middle. So I think I will keep it in the middle. Now, if I wanted to undo a change, I could do that as well, or redo it. I like this font, but I think I want to make it a bit cuter. So I've chosen this one, and I'll do the same for my name. Cool. Now, I think the white color looks a little bland, so I'm going to change the background. And I can apply this color to this current page or all of the pages. So I'm going to click all. All right, looking good so far. The next page is called the dedication page, and it's for you to write who you want this story to be for. I'm going to put my pet dog, his name is Taco, and I'll make his name a bit bigger, and I'll change the font. And then I can start writing on page one. On page one, let me go back to the artwork. I think I'll put this one, and let me explore different page layouts. I think I like this one. And I can move up the image so it's more centered. And start writing. Harry the bat lived in a cave in the misty mountains. People and animals never visited this part of town, and this made him very lonely. All right. Now I'm happy with this page. I'm going to add another page and then start adding more artwork and continuing. Okay. The last page is the back cover. So let's just see how it looks right now by clicking preview. Okay. So far, so good. And I think I will come back and write more later. So for the time being, I'm going to save the book. But if you're finished, you can also send it to Dreamwriters and get feedback on your book. So I'll save it for now and exit. And then you'll find your book under My Books Drafts. Okay, that's it for now. I hope that was helpful.